In this video, I'm going to give you some specifications, some details, and do an unboxing of the Vizio 58-inch TV sold at Costco. Purchased this at Costco for $4.49 plus tax. It comes with a 90-day return policy through Costco, which is why I bought through Costco. As far as how to get this home, this box length is about 59 inches. It is about 36 inches tall, and the width is about 7 inches. I have a Ford Escape with all the seats folded down, and it barely fit in there. So if you're buying this TV, those are the dimensions you need to measure to make sure it fits in your vehicle. I originally went into Costco to get a Samsung TV, but after looking at this one right next to the Samsung, it was clear that this had a better picture. This actually has some of the Samsung technology built in it with the QUANTUMCOLOR, showing over 1 billion different color hues. This has a full array backlight, which gives you some deeper blacks. Now when looking at a couple TVs at Costco, you can tell that, like some people wearing a tuxedo in a movie, the tux is kind of grayish, and in this particular model, it's nice and black. If you plan on playing any games on this TV, it has an auto game mode, which will automatically adjust picture for performance. It also has the iQ 4K HDR processor for fast response time and no lag. This TV has Dolby Vision, HDR10+, 3 HDMI outputs, native refresh rate of 60 Hz, and a dynamic motion rate of 120. It also comes with a ton of apps, Apple AirPlay, Chromecast, and SmartCast. It also has a voice-activated remote that works with Apple Home, Google Assistant, and Alexa. Once you get this TV home and unbox it, you're going to cut the 2 banding straps, and the TV box is going to lift straight up. Also, if you're looking for a TV that has some American roots, Vizio is based out of California. The TV is assembled in Mexico. Up here at the top of the styrofoam, you're going to have your remote, AC cable, and your 2 stands. Just make sure that when you're getting this unboxed, you do not touch the screen at all. And once all the shipping protection is off, you're left with this kind of a bag over your TV. That's simply going to slide down and around, revealing your new Vizio 58-inch TV. Here's the back side of the TV with your HDMI inputs. And if you come over here, there's some RCA inputs and an antenna input, along with the Ethernet and an optical. Come down here, that's where your AC power is going to plug in. This is the M586X sold at Costco. Total weight on this is about 33 pounds. The bezel around it is so thin, I highly suggest you get a second person to help you wall mount it so that you're not holding on to the front of the screen at all. And thanks for watching this unboxing.